guys, welcome back to the shed. So today we'll be unboxing this Makita unit. This is a DHP453 RFE, okay? And let's see what's inside. First, sturdy case, okay. Okay. So, the manuals. The lineup, I'm not sure, yeah, it's the LXT lineup. Safety instructions, the instructions for the charger, declaration of conformity, and I guess that's it. Now this is the instructions for the hammer, well, the driver itself. Okay, so it comes with this bit, double bit, PH2 and 5, the drill. Okay, seems sturdy. Feels good in the hand, but I have small hands. If you had a big eye, I'm not sure how you will feel it. Okay. 2 speeds and 2 batteries. One comes attached to the drill, and the other one in here. Okay, so these are both 3 amp units. Okay. It also comes with the charger. Okay, let me see the reference. So the reference of the charger is DC18RC S. Okay, both the charger and the drill, they are made in China. Okay, made in China and made in China also. Okay, so I guess this is it. I'm not sure if well, maybe I can see if this is charged or not. Oh, it doesn't have okay, so oh, it's in here. Okay, yeah, so it doesn't seem to be charged. Yeah, it's not charged at all. So I'll have to charge it first, and then well, I'll test it. Okay, so this is the unboxing. I'm really happy with the case, even though it's a hard case. It's quite easy to get things in and out. There's the space for another battery. You see, you have one here, and you can put another one in here and the other one in here. So total you can have 3 batteries, even though this comes only with 2. Okay, so thank you very much. and see you next time. I'll be testing this drill. Thank you. Bye bye.